A crow can remember your face, and if you make the wrong impression, it may remember you for years. But here is the part that makes this strange. Crows that have never met you may learn to recognize you too. Scientists discovered this using an unusual experiment. Researchers wore a distinctive human face mask while capturing and briefly handling wild American crows. The birds were released unharmed. Later, researchers returned wearing the same mask. The crows noticed. They gathered above the masked person, followed them, called loudly, and warned other crows nearby. But the experiment did not end there. Years passed. The researchers kept returning, and the crows still reacted to the same face. Picture a university campus. Black crows watching from trees and rooftops, while one person walks below wearing the recognizable mask. To a human passing by, it is just another face. To the crows, it means danger. Scientists found that crows can connect individual human faces with previous experiences. Brain imaging research later showed that when crows saw a familiar, threatening face, regions involved in attention, fear, and decision-making became active. But then, something even more surprising happened. The warning spread. Crows that had never personally been captured began reacting to the dangerous mask too. They had learned from other crows. Imagine one crow spotting the face, giving an alarm call, and an entire group suddenly turning toward the same person. Young birds could potentially learn which humans were dangerous simply by watching how older crows reacted. And this knowledge can last an extraordinary amount of time. At the University of Washington, researchers continued testing the recognizable mask for many years. The hostile response persisted long after the original encounter. So think about what that means. A crow does not simply see human. It can recognize that human, and it can attach a history to that face. Safe, dangerous, familiar, someone worth watching. This ability makes sense for an animal living around people. Humans can provide food. Humans can also be threats. Recognizing the difference could help a crow survive, but the social part makes it far more powerful. One crow does not necessarily need to experience danger firsthand. Another crow can teach it. So the information can spread through a group like a warning system. Picture dozens of crows on power lines and rooftops, all watching one person below. Some of them may have encountered that person before. Others may only know the reputation. Which means, the next time you see a crow staring at you from a tree, you may think you are looking at a random bird. But the crow may be doing something very different. It may be looking at a face, remembering what happened, and deciding whether the other crows need to know about you. Mission complete.